Great, good afternoon everyone from the Wonderpost allotment here in glorious Haskerton. What a fantastic day it is today. I don't even know the date. It's September the 25th and it's really warm. Great day actually for doing a bit of gardening. You'll have seen that we're going to do this Wonderpost allotment. Roger, you might cast the camera around there just to have a look at what we're going to be doing. And we're going to be splitting up this allotment in half. So I'm going to draw a line down here. This half is going to have Wonderpost in it. This half is not going to have Wonderpost in it. And what we're going to do is we're going to be showing you the results that you can get in your garden by using our fantastic Wonderpost Soil Improver. Hopefully you'll have got the message by now. You'll know that this is well over 3 years old. It's very well rotted. What you don't want to do is put a fresh manure in your garden, because that's going to sort of burn the roots of any seedlings that you plant in there. And just look at that fabulous product. Roger's been working hard on producing that and bagging it up. Here we go. So it's a 3-year-old soil improver. Now, this was, again, Roger, if you cast your camera around there, you can see that what we've done is just dug a bit of Roger's field up. There's been nothing happening in this field for quite a few years, and there's been no machinery on this piece of ground. So I'm really expecting the soil structure to be in a great shape. And you know, when you start working a soil, you can damage the structure. And so that's why it's really important to add something like a soil improver into the soil. Helps improve the soil structure. This is organic matter as well, so it's really helping improve the health and life of the soil. Adding essential nutrients back into the soil is going to also help improve the drainage. So it's a really key product to help you get the most out of your garden. People have been asking me how much do I use? Well, I'm going to be using somewhere between 5 to 10 kilos of Wonderpost per square metre. And you know what? It's very simple. Let's just put the knife down there. What I'm going to do is just spread this out. Like this. What's the weight of one of those bags, Roger?
23 kilos.
23 kilos. Okay, so we've got enough in here for probably 2 square metres, but I'm going to be quite generous. Spread it out like this. That's rather nice coverage there. Okay, what I don't want to do is just leave it on the soil here, so I'm just going to fork it in nice and lightly, going down about sort of half a fork's depth. Just like that. This is going to be perfect. You can see this actually soil looks in great condition. Roger rotivated it at the weekend. There's no weed roots in it as well, so I'm expecting that we're not going to have a problem with perennial weeds like dandelions. So very simply just lightly fork it in into the top sort of 6 inches, 15 centimetres of soil. We've got a few roots here, I don't know what they're from, but we'll chuck those out. And there you have it. So, that's it. I like to level things up afterwards nicely, because I like to be a neat gardener. There you go. What we're now ready to do with that is at the weekend, I'm going to rake that patch over, create a nice fine tilth, and then I'm going to be sowing some broad beans. Aquadulce Claudia is my favourite variety. I'll be sowing some here, some over there, some in Wonderpost, some not in Wonderpost, and we'll be able to be eating those next spring. Well, there we go, slightly out of breath. You can tell I'm not in great shape, but hopefully this allotment is going to get me fit. Another post coming to you on Saturday. Don't forget, follow our blog on our Wonderpost website, wonderpost.co.uk. Send us an email if you've got any questions, but don't forget, order your Wonderpost. And as we always say, power your garden with Wonderpost.